Good morning. I am Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we completed the revision of chapter 2. Now, let's continue the revision. All of you have learned the exercise and question answers of chapter 2. Now, write down the answer of this question. This question is from chapter 2. How do you dye fabric? Answer. Step 1. First, pour hot water in the bucket. Step 2. Add dye in the water. Step 3. Then soak the clothes in a solution of hot water and color dye. Step 4. The color of the fabric is changed using a dye. All of you write down in your notebooks. Now, all of you write down the answer of this question. What are natural and chemical dyes? All of you know the answer of this question. Write down. All of you write down the answer. Natural dyes. Natural dyes are obtained from plants and vegetables. For example, green color from spinach, blue from indigo, and red from beetroot. Chemical dyes. Chemical dyes are made from chemicals. Now, we will start the revision of chapter 3. What is the title of the chapter 3? The food story. All of you be ready. Title is The Food Story. Do you remember this chapter? Now let's start. See, what is the importance of food? Why do we need food? We need food to live. To live. Grow. And to be healthy. Now all of you understood that why do we need food? We need food to live, grow and be healthy. Now next question is, why do we eat food? Because food gives us the energy. What does food give us? Energy. We get energy from the food. Food gives us nutrients. Food gives us nutrients, protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, fats. Food helps us to grow tall and strong. Food helps us to grow tall and strong. Now all of you know that why do we eat food? Because food gives us energy to work, food gives us nutrients, food helps us to grow tall and strong. We get nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins from where? From food. Next topic is sources of food. Sources of food, it means where from do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Plants and animals are the sources of food. Plant sources and animal sources. We get food from the plants and animals. Plant sources and animal sources. Give me the examples of plant sources. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses and spices from where? From plants. Fruits and vegetables. We get from where? We get from plants. Fruits and vegetables give us what? Give us vitamins and fibers. Vitamins help us to fight with diseases. Vitamins protect us from diseases. Now all of you know about the vitamins, about the fruits and vegetables, that why should we eat fruits and green vegetables? Do you like to eat fruits and vegetables? You should eat. Because why? Fruits and vegetables give us fibers and vitamins. Now see, cereals we get from where? We get from plants. Wheat, rice and maize. These are the examples of cereals, and cereals give us carbohydrate. We get carbohydrate from cereals, and carbohydrate gives us what? Energy. So we get energy from the cereals to work. We get energy to work. And where from do we get energy? We get energy from the carbohydrate, and we get carbohydrate from cereals. So we should eat such type of food. Wheat, rice and maize. Now see, pulses. Do you eat pulses? Pulses, kidney beans, grams and pulses give us what? Protein. We get protein from pulses, and protein helps in the growth of the muscles of our body. Protein builds our body. Protein helps us to grow. Spices. All of you know about the spices. We use spices while cooking. Give me the examples of spices. Cinnamon, cardamom, cumin seed, asafoetida. These are the examples of spices. Bay leaf. And spices give flavor to food. What does spice give us? Spice gives us flavor to food. The spice gives flavor to food. Spices give flavor to food. Right? Now all of you know about the spices. Now see, animal sources. Animal sources, such type of food we get from where? From animals. What do we get from animals? We get milk, eggs, meat. Where from do we get milk? From animals. Meat from animals. Egg from animals. So such types of food are called animal sources, because such types of food we get from animals. Now all of you know about the plant sources, animal sources and importance of food. Why do we need food? Why should we eat food? About the nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, fats. Now see, next topic is cooking. All of you know about the cooking? Cooking. What is the cooking? Cooking is the process in which raw food is converted into edible items. It means that food can be eaten. After cooking the food, we can eat that food. Cooked food can be easily digested and it also kills germs. Food can be eaten either raw or cooked. All of you know? Raw and cooked. Some foods can be eaten either raw or cooked. For examples like fruits and vegetables are eaten raw while some are cooked. Next topic is utensils. All of you know about the utensils. We use utensils for cooking in the kitchen. See, griddle. Do you know about the griddle? In Hindi we say tawa. Griddle is used to make chapatis, dosa. Now see. See, karahi is used for deep frying food items. Frying pan. Pressure cooker. Spatula. Spoon, knife we use in the kitchen for cooking. Toaster, microwave oven, mixer grinder. These are electrical appliances. Where do we use? We use in the kitchen. So here you should know about the utensils, that what type of utensils we use in the kitchen for cooking. Now see about the methods of cooking. What are the methods of cooking? How do we cook the food? Boiling method. In this method, we boil the food and food is cooked. We boil rice, pulses, eggs. Next one, frying method. All of you know about the frying method. To fry food, we put food in very hot oil and it gets cooked. We generally use karahi or a frying pan to fry the food. And there are two types of frying, shallow frying and deep frying. In shallow frying, we use small amount of oil, and in deep frying, we use lot of oil. Next method is steaming. In this method, we cook the food with the help of steam, and we use pressure cooker to cook the food with the help of steam. Give me examples of food. So, that food can be cooked with the help of this method, with the help of a steaming method. Give me examples like idlis, momos. Such types of food items can be cooked with the help of steaming method. Next one, baking method. We bake the cake. Do you like to eat cake on birthday? In this method, food is cooked in a hot oven. We use microwave oven to bake the food. And we cook to use this method. We can make bread, cakes and cookies to use this method. To use which method? Baking method. Now all of you know about the methods of cooking. First one, boiling, frying, steaming or baking method. Now see, cuisines. Cuisine is a style of cooking that is found in a specific region, state or country. Each and every state has its own famous dish like Punjab, paratha, lassi, makki di roti, sarson ka saag. Such food items are famous in Punjab. Misti doi, rasagulla are famous in West Bengal. Fish, tukwa, momos are famous in northeastern states such as Assam and Sikkim. Appam, puttu, avial are famous where? Kerala. And in India also Chinese, Italian, American and Mexican cuisines are famous. So you should know about the famous food items of the different regions, states of India. Now see, what should we do to be fit and healthy? We should eat fruits and vegetables. What should we eat? Fruits and vegetables. Should we eat pizza, burger to be healthy? Yes or no? No. What should we eat? We should eat fruits and vegetables. We should eat natural food to be healthy. Fruits, vegetables. We should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. We should not eat junk food. We should eat junk food or not? We should not eat junk food like pizza, burger. We should chew food properly and we should exercise daily. Do you exercise daily? Yes or no? You should do exercise daily. You should do yoga and exercise daily to be fit and healthy. Now see, we have completed this chapter, chapter 3. We have completed all the topics of this chapter. Now what you have to do? What's your assignment? You have to revise this chapter. You have to learn the exercise and question answers of this chapter properly and watch this video properly and understand all the concepts of this chapter. Revise this chapter properly. Thank you. Have a good one.